Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to make these vegan high protein chorizos. So this recipe does need a food processor, but if you don't have one, you can use the small sides on a grater or just crumble the tofu with your hands. The full recipe with all the measurements is in the description. Add firm tofu, vital wheat gluten or gluten flour, plain flour, paprika, oil, soy sauce, minced garlic, black pepper, chili flakes, and dried herbs, and then process until combined. It's ready when it forms a dough when you press it together with your fingers. Tip out the mixture, and then we're going to give it a knead for around 10 minutes. To knead, push down with the hard part of your hand, and then give the dough a quarter turn. Now cover the dough and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, divide your dough into 6 portions. Give them a quick knead and then form them into sausage shapes. Allow them to rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, bring a pot 1/3 filled with water to a boil. Once the water's boiling, add your chorizo. Turn down the heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Drain the chorizos and then they're ready to cook. You can slice them up for a recipe, or my favourite way is to pan fry them with a little bit of oil like this. Subscriber update, thanks to my 1021 subscribers. Thanks for watching and be sure to like and subscribe. If you want to see another one of my cooking videos, click here, or if you're new and haven't subscribed yet, click there.